Hey, hope everyone's having a great day and Happy New Year. Today's video, I have some clips from my workout. I'm also going to show you what I ate today, so make sure you stay tuned through the video to see that. Today was a strength training workout, and I went to the gym and I did 6 sets. I did a pull, a push, and a leg. So I'm just going to show you some clips from the first round, which I did some pull-ups with just a light 10-pound weight just to switch it up. I've been doing a lot of pull-ups without any weight lately, but just wanted to switch it up here and there and add a little bit of weight. So I started with the pull-ups. Then I did a set of these push-ups with, I guess you could say they're Spider-Man push-ups with a static hold on the bottom. It just makes them a little harder. So I did a set of that, and then I did a set of leg press. And then I did a second round of pull, push, legs, but in the second round I did chin-ups with an added weight, and then instead of pull-ups I did chin-ups, and then instead of the Spider-Man push-ups in the second round, I did regular push-ups. So just switched it up a little bit for the second round. And as usual, my workout was at about 11 a.m. So I do fast throughout the morning, drinking plenty of water. And then I like to do my workouts fasted and then break my fast around 12 or 1 p.m. So at 12:30, I had a grapefruit and a couple of Sumo Citrus. And we've been getting really good grapefruits from Costco. And the Sumo Citrus I've been getting from Trader Joe's. They've been delicious. Then at 2 p.m. I cooked up some oatmeal. I threw on a couple of sliced bananas, about a third cup of pecans, a serving of maple syrup, some cinnamon, and some blueberries as well with a splash of almond milk. And that's a really delicious oatmeal combination. There it is. Try that one out. Let me know what you think. Then at 4 p.m. I put together a salad. It had mixed greens, cucumber, apple, avocado, carrots, and pumpkin seeds. During the day I threw together a crock pot of homemade vegetable soup. So at 6 p.m. I had 2 large bowls of the homemade vegetable soup, and I had a plate of toasted sourdough bread, and I had some seasoned almonds, and then a little while after that for dessert I had some tropical gold pineapple and a peanut butter dark chocolate kind bar. So that was it for the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. I hope everyone has a great day. Happy New Year, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.